Have you ever wished your crypto wallet could just do things for you? Like automatically rebalancing your portfolio, taking profits, or even sniping arbitrage opportunities across different blockchains. The dream of truly automated finance on the blockchain has been around for a while, but it's been plagued by a major problem: trust. To automate these tasks, you'd often have to hand over your private keys to a third-party bot, a central service, or a vulnerable script. It's like giving your house keys to a stranger and hoping they only do what you asked. This is where the Newton protocol could be a game changer. It's tackling this core issue head-on with a new kind of verifiable automation. Instead of requiring blind trust, Newton combines two powerful technologies: trusted execution environments, or TEEs, and zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. Think of it this way: a TEE is a secure, isolated sandbox where the automation code runs, ensuring no one, not even the service provider, can see what's happening or tamper with it. It's like a sealed vault. But how do you know what's in the vault is what you asked for? That's where the ZKPs come in. A zero-knowledge proof creates a cryptographic receipt that proves a task was executed correctly without revealing the sensitive details of the transaction itself. So, with Newton, an autonomous agent can perform a complex task for you, and you get a provable, on-chain receipt that confirms the action followed your exact instructions. This allows for complex, AI-driven strategies and cross-chain operations to be executed securely and without giving up custody of your funds or compromising your privacy. This unique approach opens up a world of possibilities for both individual users and institutions. From automated portfolio management and risk mitigation to programmable payments and DAO treasury operations, Newton provides the trust layer that was missing in blockchain automation. It's a fundamental shift, moving beyond simple smart contracts to a new era of intelligent, verifiable, and truly autonomous financial operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.